Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a lot of you might have noticed mold formation between your bathroom tiles like this. You see here, okay? And it's a common problem in almost every washroom, like here and in these corners you see mold formation. And it's always a good idea to keep this clean. So how this, like some of you may find it a very difficult task, but I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. And it's not just about this. You can use this method to clean near the kitchen sink also. That also I will show in this video. But for now, let me show you this. Okay. So what you need, like I have purchased this from Amazon, but you can get mold remover gel from home stores like Home Depot, Home Hardware, Rona too. Like you can go there and find out. You can talk to associates if you cannot find a suitable product. Okay. You need a brush. Okay. Now this cap, nozzle cap came along, that I'm going to attach here. So the very first thing is you should dry it. Okay. Dry it. So select a time when it's dry or something like let's say you have used it in the morning, then you give it few hours, then let it dry. Okay. And then second is to make it ready for the use. So what I have done, I have attached this here. Okay. Now you have to gently press and push the gel here. Okay. At the corner, wherever you want to do. Okay. And it doesn't cost much. Okay. You have to gently spread it. And you also need a brush like this just to spread it nicely so that you make sure that it goes and hits the right spots. Okay. Like the product I purchased, that was this brush was available along, but if you are purchasing on your own, just read the labels of the product and see if you have got something like this included or not. Otherwise you can buy it too. Okay. So first gently spread it. So guys, many hours have passed and you can see the change. You can see the change. Okay. After drying, like it's almost a day that has passed. I gave ample time for it to go through and now it is working perfectly. But yes, in some areas like here you see still there are some minor spots, so maybe I need to do it again and again. But yeah, sooner or later I'll be able to remove all of them. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.